Hello guys, today we are doing a question. So let's get started. Question is, you have to given a number and you have to check out number is positive or negative or 0. If number is positive, print 1. If number is negative, print -1. If number is 0, print 0. So how you do it? Think the logic. Like first we take the number. Like I'm taking the number, any variable. I'm taking number variable, taking the input, integer input. Now what we do here? First is if the number is positive. That means if number is positive, we have to print 1. So when 0 is greater than, when any number is greater than 0, that means that number is positive. What we do here? We simply write here if number is greater than 0, that means that number is positive. So print, need to print. What we print here? We simply print 1. Else, we have to check another condition. So we simply use here else. If number is negative, that means number less than 0, that means that number is negative. So we have to print -1. Okay. Else, or you can also use here LF again, or check the condition if number is equal to 0, and then print the 0. Else, both conditions are not true, then it's going to else condition. We have to print, what we print here? 0. Check it, it's run or not. We take in here like 5. 5 is the positive number. That means we have to, our output comes +1. So let me run it. Okay, so as you can see this, our output is 1. That means our output is correct. If you take any other number like -5, it's a negative number. So what output our comes? -1. Let me check it. Okay, so this logic, this code work perfectly. So you can use this easily, and this is the basic code. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.